The footer is what appears at the bottom of every page. This is what the footer looks like on our site. To edit the footer, it's a similar process. Return back to the Customizer menu and select Footer. Here we get a similar interface that allows us to edit the footer. Let's go ahead and swap out this logo image. I'll click the pencil icon, click Got It, and then we'll click to replace the image, and we'll replace it with our logo. Depending on the template you use, you may or may not have a logo in the footer, and you might not want to use a logo in the footer. That's up to your discretion, and you can do whatever you want. It's your design. Just like editing the header, you can move widgets around, and you can edit anything by clicking on the pencil icon next to it or clicking on the item in the interface at the bottom. For a template like mine, I recommend updating your social links to link to your actual social profiles and updating your contact information to be your business's actual contact info. And of course, when you're done, click Publish to update your site.